Okay. Come on, tell me. You can classify the following fibers into natural and synthetic fibers. Nylon is a natural fiber or a synthetic fiber? Please name
Ma'am,
Both.
nylon
yourself
is
and then
synthetic.
answer.
Synthetic.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, nylon is
synthetic.
synthetic.
Okay, nylon is a synthetic fiber, correct? Then wool,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, is
natural.
natural. Natural.
natural fiber, correct. Where do we get wool from?
Sheep.
Is
Sheep.
it a okay, so is it a plant source or an animal source?
Animal source.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Cotton,
Cotton, ma'am,
Cotton,
natural.
natural, ma'am, natural.
natural fiber, correct. Plant source or animal source?
Ma'am, plant.
Ma'am, plant source.
Okay,
Plant.
plant source, correct. Now, can you tell me what is ginning?
Meaning,
Ginning,
uh,
ma'am, the process. Ma'am, the process
in
of making yarn are called ginning.
No, beta, it is called spinning, beta. You got
yes,
confused between ginning and spinning.
ma'am, asal kapasi answer.
Yes, Hasan Kapasi.
Yes. Beginning means separated seeds and cotton with
Very good.
hands.
Very good. The
Now,
process of separating seeds, cotton from cotton seeds is called ginning. Very good, beta. Then silk.
synthetic.
Silk is synthetic, beta.
No, ma'am, natural.
No, ma'am, natural.
Where do we
Natural.
get silk from?
Ma'am,
Natural.
leave, I think.
No.
Jute.
Ma'am, plant
Ju-
sources.
No, beta, it is an animal source. Silk is an
Natural.
animal source.
Silk is
Yes,
animal.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Earthworm or
See,
then that.
silkworm, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
We get silk from
Ma'am,
silkworm.
silkworm.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Then polyester.
Ma'am,
Synthetic.
it is synthetic.
Synthetic.
Okay, and jute.
Natural.
Ma'am, it is
It's
all
plant
natural.
source. Plant source.
Natural and it is a plant source. जूट को हम कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? How can we remove jute from the jute plant? What shall we do to do that? To obtain
Uh,
jute fibers?
yes, ma'am. Yes. We एक plant of jute
Hmm.
हमको उसको 3-4 दिन के लिए पानी में रखना है
Very good.
और फिर वो सड़ जाएगा फिर
Very good.
and take the jute
And
and
we can
we
separate the fibers
yes
from the stem.
yes
Correct. Can you say the
yes
same thing in English, Vita?
uh, yes ma'am
Ma'am, first we have to put the cotton that jute in water, and when it will ripe, so we can put taken out.
You
yes
can. It's not ripe, beta. It's rot. सड़ जाने को रॉट कहते हैं.
Yes,
राइप किसे कहते हैं? पक जाने को राइप कहते हैं. ओके, देयर इज अ
okay
डिफरेंस
ma'am
बिटवीन राइप एंड रॉट. राइपिंग इज
yes,
पक
ma'am.
जाना. रॉटिंग इज सड़ जाना. ठीक है.
okay ma'am
ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू ट्रू और फॉल्स.
okay
Yarn is made from fibers. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
yes
True,
ma'am
true.
true
Correct. Okay. Spinning is a process of making fibers.
false
False.
false
Then what is the spinning is a process of making what?
yarn
Very good. It is the process of making yarn.
yarn
Yeah.
Jute is the outer covering of coconut. Is it true or false?
False,
false
ma'am. False.
false
It is
false
false. The process of removing seeds from cotton is called ginning.
yes true
True.
true
Very good. Weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric. True.
false
Yes, ma'am. True.
Why? Why false, beta? How is it
Ma'am,
ma'am
in
false?
true
written.
true
Gee, it is true.
Ma'am.
हाँ
Ma'am, in
बेटा.
this I have written. Ma'am.
हाँ.
Hello.
हाँ हाँ
Ma'am,
बोलो
in this
बेटा.
I have written the key at the place of E and E at the place of D.
हाँ, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Silk fiber is obtained from the stem of plant. Is it true or false?
Ma'am,
False. False, ma'am. False.
Okay, so from where is it obtained?
from animal and the silkworm.
Very good. And polyester is a natural fiber. Is
False.
it true?
Ma'am, false.
False.
No, ma'am.
Polyester
False.
is
False.
Synthetic
Synthetic.
fiber.
Synthetic
very
fiber.
good. It is a synthetic fiber, correct?
Ma'am, this all exercise you gave in Fairbook.
Yes, beta. And I've given you question answers also. We'll do the question answers also right now, okay? I'll make you
Yes,
learn them
ma'am.
right now so that there is no problem for you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Plant fibers are obtained from
And,
Cotton
fiber.
plants and jute plants.
Yes, cotton and jute. Cotton.
okay. Animal fibers are dash and dash.
Wool skin.
Ma'am, wool and silk.
Wool and silk.
Ma'am, wool and silk.
Okay, beta. You are doing very good, huh? I like when you answer the questions. Now, from which parts of the plant cotton and jute are obtained?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, cotton from cotton blooms, cotton balls, so means plant, and jute from
Yes.
stem of it
yes.
plant.
Very good. So we can call the plant of cotton as fruit. Fruit of cotton
Yes.
plant we obtain cotton and
Yes.
jute we obtain from
Fruit.
stem.
Stem.
Stem, yes.
ठीक है? So फिर से एक बार बोल दो from which parts of the plant cotton and jute are obtained?
Cotton come
Ma'am,
from
cotton
cotton
is fruit and
balls.
jute and stem.
Yes, jute
Very
from
good.
stem.
Very good. Now name the two items that are made from coconut fiber. What is made from coconut fiber?
Ma'am, ropes and
Rope and mats.
mats. Rope and mats.
Okay, rope and mats. I don't want you to forget this, huh? हमने क्लास में कर लिया है तो भूल मत जाना. Explain the
Okay, ma'am.
process of making yarn from the fiber.
Yarns are made up of then started cold fibers. The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. In this process, a mass of cotton wool and drawn out and tested. These
Twisted.
braining, these braining the fiber together to form yarn.
Very good. So you said the whole answer for making yarn, and that is given here.
Ma'am, you gave in PDF also.
Yes, the process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. In this process, fibers from a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This brings the fiber together to form a yarn. Okay, understood.
Ma'am, this
Yes.
layer,
Yes.
layer that
What beta?
ma'am, Yan made that from slice that we saw the experiment from paper.
Yeah, it is made like that. I just
Also,
wanted to do that experiment to explain you that वो जो threads होते हैं ना वो एक के अंदर एक ऐसे घुसे हुए होते हैं जैसे आपने पेपर डाला था ना
yes,
वैसे अरेंज हुए होते हैं जो तो वो पेपर को आप यार्न कंसिडर कर सकते हो और यार्न है वो भी एक दूसरे के अंदर ऐसे ही अरेंज हुए होते हैं बट दे आर वेरी क्लोज टू ईच अदर इसलिए
Yes.
इट मेक्स अ फैब्रिक अंडरस्टूड
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हैव यू ऑल मेड इट
Ma'am,
No,
today
ma'am.
we
Ma'am,
just
I
made both.
forgot.
Ma'am,
who
today we
who
made both.
who made it? Can you tell me who made it?
Ma'am, I had tried
Ki-
to made in a same color paper, so I made it, but I forgot and where did I put that?
ओ ओके तो किसी और ने बनाया है क्लास में जो अभी दिखा सकता है Is there anybody?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so nobody made the experiment I gave you. Okay, can you tell me what is spinning? Spinning अभी अभी learn कर लो जल्दी से चलो,
Yes, ma'am.
फिर देखे बिना
Ma'am,
बोलेंगे.
spinning is the process of making fibers.
Making yarn beta
Fibers.
from
Oh, ma'am,
fibers.
yes, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And in this process, fibers from a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This will bring the fiber together to form a yarn. जल्दी से learn कर लो फिर हम जुबानी बोलेंगे ये सारी चीजें.
मैम कर ली.
I'm
मैम
giving you 2 minutes to learn it. Then I'll come on video call and you can switch on your camera and say it, okay, one by one.
मैम ये पूरा नहीं बोलना है कि this much only we say ना the process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning.
Yes, okay. You can say that much also, but अगर 2 marks का question पूछूं मैं कि what is can you explain the process of making yarn, तो अगर 2 marks का हो तो आपको पूरा लिखना पड़ेगा. तो पूरा learn कर लो.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम कौन सा ये मेकिंग प्रोसेस वाला है?
हाँ बेटा. The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. In this process, fibers from a mass of cotton. क्या होता है इस प्रोसेस में? हम फाइबर्स को पुल करते करते ट्विस्ट करते जाते हैं और इस तरह से yarn है वो बन जाता है. Have you learned everybody? Should I come on video call now?
Oh, ma'am, रखो ना in this process is so 2 point only left. 2 lines.
Okay, okay, okay.
मैम तो फिर आगे क्वेश्चन लर्न.
Okay, I'm coming, okay? Yes, Hassan, come on, switch on your camera and come.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the process of making yarn is called spinning. In this process, the cotton the cotton wool is drawn and is drawn out and twisted. Is drawn out and twisted. Uh,
Yes, then?
This brings the cotton uh, to get. Now I know this much only.
ओके बेटा. फिर से लर्न कर लो, मैं फिर से पूछूंगी, ठीक है? हसन कपासी, कम ऑन.
मैम मैं करूँ मैम
Ma'am,
मैं
Hassan
रीड
Kapas.
करूँ.
यस बेटा. मोहम्मद शफीक, आई एम कमिंग टू यू बेटा.
Yes, ma'am, Hassan Kapas is tell now.
यस बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. The process. Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
The process.
Remember. Yes, ma'am.
मैम
The
can I say
process.
something?
Yes, ma'am. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning.
Very good.
Spinning. In this process, fiber from a mass of cotton wool
Very good.
are drawn out and twisted. This brings fibers together to form a yarn.
Very good बेटा. Very good. मोहम्मद शफीक.
Yes मैम.
जी बोलो बेटा.
Okay मैम.
Yes, मोहम्मद शफीक, where did you go?
Yes ma'am. Yeah. Yarns are made up of then started called fiber. The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. In this process, a mass of cotton wool are drained out and twice bitter. These
Twisted.
brains twisted. These brings the fiber together to form yarn.
Okay. Why was the camera off, beta? Rehan Sheikh, come on. You can say yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I start.
Yes, go ahead. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. In this process, fiber from a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This bring, brings out brings the fiber together to form a young.
Yarn.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
learned the
Rehan. Yes, हमने हाँ yes राकिब हसन.
okay, ma'am. Learn the process. The
Mohammad Zaid,
process of
wait, I'm
making
coming to you.
the process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. In this process, a mass of cotton wool is drawn out and twisted. This brings the fibers to form a yarn.
Very good, beta. Mohammad Zaid, come on.
The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning.
Mohammad Shafiq, switch
In
off your
this
camera.
in this process, fibers from from a mass of cotton wool are drawn
Out and
out
twisted.
and out and twisted. This brings the fiber together to form a yarn.
Okay, very good. Anybody else wants to say?
No, ma'am.
All done?
Yes, ma'am. Nakula gave us learn.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, everybody who wanted to
Yes, I'm
say
good
has
and done.
done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, now let's move on to weaving. Okay, let's learn weaving. What is weaving? The
Ma'am, process of
process.
removing seeds.
Process of arranging
Fabric is made
sets of
of Fabric is made of two
sets
sets of
of
yarns arranged together. So the process of arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric is called weaving.
weaving.
Okay. A fabric is made up of two sets of yarns arranged together, and the process of arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric is called weaving.
Okay, ma'am. This much we done.
Yes, beta.
मैम मैम ये आंसर लिखना तो नहीं है ना वो जो फेयर बुक में पहले लिखवाया था उसके बाद
जी नहीं, जी नहीं, मैंने
ओके
ऑलरेडी आपको कीवर्ड्स के साथ लिखा दिया है, इसलिए आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है.
ओके
Ma'am, Hasan Gopal learn.
ओके बेटा.
मैम सेक्रेड एंड
ओके.
मैम लर्न सेक्रेड हैंड
Okay, Rehan. Why there are 16 people present in the meeting and only 4 or 5 of you are answering the questions? And that is Hassan Kapasi, Ragib Hassan, Shafiq Pariani and Rehan Sheikh, and
Hello,
one
ma'am.
Mohammad Zaid. Mohammad Zaid.
Hello, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, 2 minutes. I am the only two line also left.
Okay, beta.
मैम नफीरा की पसंद लर्न
Okay.
Ma'am, Hassan Kapasi also learn.
Okay.
देख रहे हैं also learn
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. और डोली has learned. मैम परियानी शफीक का थोड़ा बाकी है लर्न करने का. मैम मैम
जी बेटा.
हेलो मैम. हेलो
हाँ बोलो बेटा. हाँ हाँ बोलो.
मैम मैं स्क्रीनशॉट पढ़ लूँ 2 मिनट रुको तो. ओके मैम डन.
क्या बोल रहे हो बेटा?
मैम
हाँ.
मैम डन हो गया.
हो गया.
मैम
हाँ.
उसने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया मैम.
ओके ओके ओके.
Ma'am,
Shafiq
हेलो
first
मैम.
can I?
Pariani. Yes
Ma'am,
बेटा you
first can
can.
I? First can
Shafiq
I?
Pariani. Shafiq
मैम
Pariani.
मैम कैन आई
Yes Hassan
यस
बेटा.
मैम.
Yes
यस
Shafiq.
मैम.
Ma'am, Hassan.
मैम
यस मैम शफीक परियानी.
Yes Shafiq. Please answer the question. Leaving क्या होता है?
क्या मैम.
Read.
In fiber is made up of two sets
Shafiq, I
of
want you to switch on your video call and read. I cannot make out if you have learned or not.
what मैम.
वीडियो कॉल ऑन करके रीड करो बेटा.
क्या मैम. मैम
Ma'am, can I see?
यस
मैम सी माय
शफीक.
कैमरा.
बेटा वो बार बार बंद हो रहा है.
मैम वो नेटवर्क इश्यू है.
ओके. हसन कपासी, come on, answer the question.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. A fabric is made. 1 minute, ma'am. Yes, a fabric is of made up of two sets of yarns arranging together. The process, the process, the process of the process of arranging two sets to make a fabric. To make a fabric is called weaving. Weaving, yes.
यस मैम मैं बोलूं.
मैम कैन नफीरा की पसंद कैन आई से शेख रेहान
नहीं मैम
Ma'am,
मैं
ma'am,
बोलूंगा मैं.
it's true now, Hassan Kapasi.
हेलो मैम. हेलो मैम. मैम मैं बोलूं.
हसन कपासी.
Yes, ma'am.
मैं बोलूंगा
बेटा okay. राकिब Hassan, answer your question बेटा.
Ma'am, my define is true, ma'am.
मैम
Ma'am,
fabric is made up of two sets of yarns arranged together to make a fiber. Arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric is called weaving.
Okay. Ahad, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, papa no uઠાડો.
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, please answer your question, Ahad.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello,
The process of arranging together
Pros- Yes.
two yarns, two sets of yarns together to make a fabric is called weaving.
Very good. OP Gaming, come on, answer the question. Rehan,
Ma'am,
bit I'm coming to you.
ma'am,
Come on, Ahad, switch off your camera, beta. Thank you. Yes, Rehan. Go
hello,
ahead.
ma'am.
Ji.
मैं बोलूँ ना सीख लेना.
Yes, Sheikh Rehan.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a
Fiber
minute,
is
Rehan.
made
Just a
up
minute, beta.
of.
Just a minute. Give me 1 minute. Yes, who else wants to read? Okay, you still can't see the screen, beta.
मैम जो ओपी गेमिंग है ना उसका नाम वरन ओनली मर्चेंट है.
Okay, beta, she
मैम
has emergency. She has gone somewhere. Can you wait for 5 minutes, beta?
मैम
Okay. Thank you. Just wait, huh? She's coming. Yes, Sheikh Rehan, come on. Read, beta. Sorry to interrupt you.
Yes, ma'am. Fiber is made up of two sets of yarn again together. The process of arranging two sets of yarn
Arranging,
together
beta. It's called
to
arranging.
arranging together to make five fab is
Arranging two sets of yarns together is called weaving. You should say that, Rehan. Can you say it again, beta?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Come on, switch on your camera. Yes, please. 1 minute. Yes, Rehan. Go ahead. Yes, Rehan. Are you talking? Your mic is mute, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Fabric made up of two sets of yarn arranging together. The process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called weaving.
Weaving. Yes, correct. OP Gaming. Come on the video call and answer the question. OP Gaming is Farhan Merchant, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Farhan Ali Merchant. Anyways, Rehan F. Do you want to answer the question or should we move ahead?
ओके लेफ्ट हो गई है.
Okay.
Ma'am, I read Muhammad Raza.
Just a minute, beta.
मैं अब क्या करना है?
Okay, there is a definition of knitting and weaving. There is also a definition of knitting, and that is the same. Fabric from yarns is made from weaving and knitting. Okay, So along with
Ma'am,
weaving, remember knitting also. All right?
Okay,
okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And,
Ma'am means
Okay.
weaving's other name is knitting. Knitting.
No, weaving's other name is not knitting. We can make fabric by weaving also, and we can make fabric by knitting also. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
There is a difference between knitting and weaving. I can tell you the difference. I can show you here. See, this is called knitting. जो हम दो सुई से बनाते हैं ना, स्वेटर बनाते हैं, उसको knitting बोलते हैं. उससे भी फैब्रिक बन सकता है. एंड वीविंग से भी फैब्रिक बन सकता है. एंड वीविंग इज दिस. ओके, जो एक्सरसाइज हमने की थी जिससे हम कॉटन के फैब्रिक बनाते हैं वो. knitting can be only done with woolen clothes, right?
हेलो मैम.
Correct or not? Yes, beta.
मैम अब तो वो एक्सरसाइज करवाते थे ना.
हाँ, तो एक्सरसाइज खत्म हो गई बेटा. आप कहाँ थे? कहाँ थे आप? आप यहाँ नहीं थे? ओके, आई एम गिविंग यू अ टास्क. और अगले लेक्चर में, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर इज ऑन थर्सडे. And if anybody has done that task, I will let him speak on video call. Okay, you have to find out about Sufi saint and a poet who is Kabir. Okay, Kabir was a weaver, and you need to find out about his life and about the teachings which he taught us. Will you be able to do that?
ma'am, what you said, we write.
See, you have to do this. I'm just giving you. You can take a screenshot if you want.
It's
You
all.
have to. You have to do this activity. Will you be able to do it?
Ma'am, 1 minute, we read over. You know that famous Sufi. Means Sufi sent
Ma'am,
like
I have
we.
taken screenshot. I will see that.
कबीर
Ma'am,
कबीर थे ना, कबीर. अच्छा सुनो, कबीर
uh,
थे ना. वो
uh,
वो एक पोएट थे और सूफी सेंट थे. तो हमें कबीर के बारे में बात करनी है, जो हम अगले लेक्चर में करेंगे. ठीक है. उसने अपनी लाइफ में क्या क्या किया है और वो हमें क्या सिखा के गए हैं, उसके बारे में बात करनी है. ठीक है.
Sufi
अब
sent.
हाँ बेटा.
सूफी सेंट का क्या करना है?
सूफी कबीर है ना, वो सूफी सेंट थे. सूफी सेंट मतलब
ओ,
जो गॉड के बारे में बातें करते हैं ना, उसको
ओके
सूफी
मैम.
सेंट बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सूफी सेंट कोई अलग इंसान नहीं है, वो कबीर खुद है. और उनके
ओके.
बारे में हमें बात करनी है. आप गूगल का यूज कर सकते हो. और आई थिंक आप
ओके मैम.
5-7
यस.
मिनट्स तक बोल पाओ, ऐसी थोड़ी सी, थोड़ा स्पीच जैसा तैयार करना होगा आपको. आप रीड भी कर सकते हो.
ओके मैम.
इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि आपको मुंह जबानी बोलना है. यू कैन रीड इट ऑल्सो, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट वी नीड टू नो अबाउट हिम. तो हम पूरे क्लास को उसके बारे में बताएंगे. ओके. ओके,
यस मैम.
ग्रेट. चलो, now let's move on to something else of which we can learn. Okay, you need to learn this for now, and then we will again go on video call. Okay, learn this. Fabrics are made from yarns, which in turn are made from fibers. Fibers are either natural or synthetic. Cotton, wool, silk, jute are some natural fibers. Nylon, polyester are some examples of synthetic fibers. Okay.
Ma'am, there's 2 points.
Yes, beta. But second point is quite long, so it will take time.
Yes. Fibers.
Done, everybody? Has everybody read?
Yes, ma'am.
What we have to do, ma'am? We have to learn this.
Yes. तो अभी तक क्या कर रहे थे आप?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it is too easy. I learned.
Okay. Should I come on video now?
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am.
Sure.
हेलो मैम.
2 more minutes.
मैम नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है ना वो बहुत बड़ा है ना इसलिए थोड़ी 2 मिनट्स का टाइम दो ना.
Okay, okay.
मैम हो गया लॉग.
Ma'am, मैं बोलूँ से रेहान.
मैम कैन आई आंसर?
Okay. Yes, Rehan.
Yes, ma'am. मैम मैं बोलूँ ना? शेख
हाँ
रेहान.
बेटा. हाँ बेटा.
Yes, sir. Fabric are made from yarns, which in turn are made from fabric. Fibers are either natural or synthetic. Cotton, wool, silk, and food are some natural fibers, while nylon and polyester are some
Polyester.
examples of polyester are some example of synthetic fibers.
Okay.
Ma'am, now can I say the Suragi Basan?
मैम कैन आई आंसर कपास?
Kapasi.
हेलो मैम क्या नाम परियानी शफीक.
मैम हसन
Hassan
कपास ना?
Kapasi. Yes, बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm speaking. Yes,
हाँ बेटा.
fabrics are made from yarns, which in turn are made in fabrics. Yeah, made from fabrics. Uh, Second point, fibers are either
Which in turn
natural,
are made from fibers. Yes.
which in turn are made from fibers. Second point, fibers are either natural or synthetic. Cotton, wool, silk, and jute are some natural fibers, while re while
Rayon,
polyester, yes,
nylon.
rayon and polyester are some example of synthetic fibers.
Correct. Yes, Ragib Hassan.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
हेलो मैम.
fabrics are made from yarns, which in turns to made from fibers. Fibers are of two types: natural and synthetic. Cotton, wool, silk, and jute are some examples of natural fibers. While nylon and polyester are some examples of synthetic fibers.
Yes, Shafiq.
ओके मैम. Fiber are made from yarn, which is stone are made from fiber. Fiber are either natural or synthetic. Cotton, wool, silk, and jute are some natural fiber, while nylon and polyester are some example of synthetic fiber.
Very good, Shafiq. Chalo. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Have a nice
Bye,
day.
ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Good night.